Powdered milk, also called milk powder, dried milk, or dry milk, is a manufactured dairy product made by evaporating milk to dryness. One purpose of drying milk is to preserve it. Milk powder has a far longer shelf life than liquid milk and does not need to be refrigerated, due to its low moisture content. In this video we are going to talk about that. What will happen to your skin when you apply powdered milk on face, can we use it, or not? And how to use it. Before we start our video, make sure to subscribe. So, let's start our today's video. Blending milk powder as an ingredient in the homespun facial packs has innumerable benefits that could help you in attaining radiant skin. It is considered an effective panacea for crystal clear skin just like milk. It is rich in lactic acid which naturally cleans and brightens skin. Besides skin lightening, what makes milk powder an apt ingredient for the skin is the concentration of vitamins and minerals. This acts as a skin purifier. It can also rid the skin of unwanted impurities like blackheads and whiteheads. How to use milk powder for skincare. 1. Milk powder, lemon juice, and rosewater. This face pack aids in getting even toned, bright, and glowing skin. Just take 2 spoons of milk powder, a teaspoon of lemon juice, and some rosewater. Mix well and apply it on your face. Leave it on for at least 20 minutes before washing. 2. Milk powder, turmeric, tomato, and curd. This is just the right face pack for you if your skin feels dull, drab, and tanned. Just grind a tomato to make a paste. Add turmeric, curd, and milk powder. Mix these ingredients well and apply it to your face as well as neck. Leave it on for the next 20 minutes. Wash it off with cold water. 3. Gram flour, milk powder, and lemon. Gram flour tunes the moisture and detaches the redundant oil from the skin. Milk powder has lactic acid which purifies the skin and makes the best remedy for oily skin. Hence, mix the gram flour, milk powder, and lemon in a bowl to make a paste. Apply the paste on your face, leave it on to dry. Rinse off with cold water. So, ladies, can try the milk powder face pack for glowing skin. It is totally safe to use. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button and do not forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.